Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I said to these two gentlemen that now that I am on vacation, I want to eat
Have a dinner
yeah,
at
have a
Saturdays.
Saturdays. Have a dinner with them every Saturday. Because when I am working, I cannot
You don't have the time.
yeah, I don't have the time, and I am so busy and distressed and very tired. So now, this is the father, Jan Erik, and this is the son, Sven Erik. Sven Erik Ireneo. Sven Erik's grandfather.
Yeah, grandpa.
His father.
Jag menar,
Yeah.
det är father of...
Yeah. Sven is my husband's father.
Grandfather.
And Jan Erik after my husband's Yani, your grandmother, the
Karin. Grandmother is...
the father of Sven is Yani. So
Nej,
is
Bernhard.
Jan-Erik Bernhard.
who is Yani? Did your
Han är min morfar.
Yani is his father.
Ja.
So that is Jan Erik Bernard. Bernard, that is his father's name.
Yes.
Yeah. And here in Sweden, they have 3 names. Like my husband, Jan Erik Bernard. And Sven Erik Ireneo. Ireneo is my mother's father. Because I grow up with them. They took care of me when I was, since I was little. They are going to eat. This is, they called it silltorta.
Jag ska kolla silly på engelska.
Ja.
Jag glömde vad det heter. Om det är
Herring cake.
Yeah.
Herring cake in English. Ayan. The orange is the
Fish eggs.
yeah,
Caviar.
yeah. And there is red onions and cooked eggs and maybe cream and
Jag vet inte, är det lime eller citrus eller vad heter det?
lemon or
Var har du köpt den någonstans?
in Maxi. And this is the brown bread.
Maxis supermarket.
Yeah, the biggest
Sweden.
supermarket here in our city, Ängelholm.
Yes, that is known.
Yeah. This is the melon and the pineapple and strawberry. And then there is that red wine and white wine.
Yeah.
Sven Erik can select. My husband, he does not drink.
See,
Only Sven Erik.
Yeah.
So he can drink. He can drink. Not juice.
Har du mer?
Lemonade.
Det var gott. Det är flera.
Jag har tömt hela fläder så den är närmsta har körsbärssaft och sånt
Ja,
där.
det tar vi där.
Det kan vi ta sen.
Yeah, cherry.
Vad heter saft på engelska? Kool-Aid. Kaffe Kool-Aid i saft, jag ska kolla.
Saft.
Är det inte juice eller det är något annat?
Ja, jag ska kolla. Saft är... Det är inte rätt de här, men det säger syrup, sap, och gravy och pip. Jag ska kolla vad saft är.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Saft.
Bye-bye.